What if I told you that one of the most iconic roadsters ever made has been reborn? More powerful, more luxurious, and more breathtaking than ever. The Mercedes 280 SL Restomod isn't just a tribute to history, it's a revolution in craftsmanship, blending timeless design with cutting-edge performance. This isn't just a classic, it's a masterpiece re-engineered for the modern age. A car that turns heads on the streets of Monaco, stuns at Pebble Beach, and leaves even the most discerning collectors in awe. Today we're diving deep into what makes this Restomod a game-changer. From its meticulously crafted exterior to the powerhouse lurking under the hood, this is luxury redefined. But the real question is this the greatest Restomod of all time? Let's find out. The original Mercedes 280 SL, also known as the Pagoda, was the epitome of elegance in the 60s. Now this Restomod keeps its soul intact while infusing it with modern performance, tech, and luxury. The moment you lay eyes on the 280 SL Restomod, you know it's something special. That unmistakable silhouette remains, but every detail has been refined to perfection. A hand-sculpted body finished in deep obsidian black or an exclusive heritage silver. A reimagined front grille with LED accents, and those iconic wire-spoke wheels, now wrapped in high-performance rubber. Step inside and it's like entering a private jet. The cabin is bathed in the finest Napa leather, hand-stitched to perfection. A fully digital instrument cluster hides behind a classic wooden steering wheel, and an immersive high-end Burmester sound system turns every drive into a concert. Beneath the hood, the original inline-six has been swapped for a brutal modern powerhouse. A handcrafted AMG twin-turbo V6 pushing out a staggering 450 horsepower. That means this once gentle cruiser can now launch from 0 to 60 in under 4.5 seconds. But it's not just about speed. The adaptive suspension makes every ride as smooth as silk, yet razor-sharp in the corners. This isn't just a classic reborn. It's a road-going piece of art that drives like a dream. This isn't a simple restoration, it's a complete reimagination. The Mercedes 280 SL Restomod is packed with state-of-the-art features while preserving its vintage charm. A fully digital, AI-assisted cockpit, customizable ambient lighting that sets the perfect mood, adaptive cruise control and lane assist for effortless long drives, a touchscreen infotainment system that seamlessly integrates with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It's the best of both worlds. Classic design meets modern-day innovation. Where does this masterpiece fit in the market? It's not just a rival to modern luxury cars. It's something far rarer and more exclusive. Think Singer's reimagined Porsches or Eagle's modernized Jaguar E-Types. With only a limited number produced, owning one will be a privilege reserved for the lucky few. As for the price, expect a six-figure tag, likely $300,000 plus, making it an ultra-luxury statement piece for the elite collector. The Mercedes 280 SL Restomod isn't just a car, it's history reborn, a fusion of vintage soul and modern muscle. But what do you think? Would you drive this masterpiece? Drop a comment below, hit like, and subscribe for more incredible automotive content.